How to make money on Minddrift. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? Stay tuned to discover how Minddrift can help you make money online. Hi guys and welcome to this video. I'll show you how you can leverage Minddrift to create and sell unique digital products. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start earning money online. So let's get started. Sorry. So first, what is Minddrift? Minddrift is a powerful AI-driven platform that helps you generate creative content from digital art to written materials. It's designed to spark creativity and assist you in producing high quality, marketable content, whether you are an artist, writer, or just someone with a creative flair. Minddrive can be your secret weapon for creating unique products. So let's know some types of content. With Minddrift, you can create a variety of digital products such as ebooks, stock photos, custom illustration, and more. Imagine selling beautifully designed digital planners on Etsy, or licensing your stunning stock photos on Shutterstock. The possibilities are endless, and the market for digital products is growing rapidly. Let's take a look at how you can create a unique piece of digital with art with Minddrift. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into minddrift.ea. So as you can see, this is Minddrift, and we have our roles, blog, about us, fake, login for EA tutor, apply now also. So let's scroll down to know what is EA tutors. First we have a definition here. This is a new role arising from advancement in EA technology. EA tutors are experts involved in EA project. Their responsibilities include crafting texts, evaluating the EA's response, and conducting fact checks. Here we have some comments of people. You can just read it to more understand and know the judgment of people on this Minddrift. Then we have the definition of Minddrift. Minddrift is a community of freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence, dedicated to generating high quality data for improving EA. Here we have Minddrift. As you can see, we have tasks. This is the homepage how look. Tasks, balance, task statistic, team, and other information like try your hand at EA projects, apply your knowledge in a new way, and enrich your portfolio. As you can see, then we have work from anywhere and anytime. Enjoy the freedom of a part-time schedule, get paid based on project complexity. Finally, we have collaborate and learn. Join forces with fellow experts, setting a new standard for EA, all under the guidance of experienced team lead. Here we have join our talent pool. We have annotation, virtual specialist who administrates the EA projects and ensure the highest quality of prompt generation and data markup. Then we have writing and editing, an opportunity for writers, editors, and language professionals to combine technical skills and creativity in an innovative, innovative way. Then we have domain experts. Sorry again. We are looking for subject matter expect, experts in various domains from law to engineering who will join our mission to enhance EA. Then we have responsibilities and how you can apply. Then we have requirements also. For responsibilities, you have review and verify the work done by others and suggest improvement. Then we have formulate clear effective instructions for annotation projects. Then we have developed training tasks for EA projects. Requirement, we have great command of English, intermediate or higher. Then we have KNA for detail. Data labeling is all about precision. Finally, we have readiness to learn new technologies, adapt to new projects, and follow complex instruction. So how to apply is first write your name, last name, email, phone, countries. So all you have to do is fill in the blanks with your personal information. As you can see, link it in profile, personal website. You can click over here if you are agree that you can keep your data for extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. So here we have the definition of Minddrift, then we have uh, about us, fake. Here we have frequently asked questions like, do I need AA development experiences? What is an AA tutor? What does a typical task look like? How many tasks will I be able to get? Can I be an EA tutor if I already have a job? Why would I want to be an EA tutor? What does the day of an EA tutor look like? What does the application process? About payment we have how do I get paid? How much will I get? Schedule requirement we have will I need to perform a same amount of hours every week? How flexible is this opportunity? All you have to do to get your answer is click over here. As you can see, it's all questions and read it deeply to know more information about Minddrive. As you can see, so then we have our roles. If you are an EA tutor writer, all you have to do is click over here. If you are an EA tutor domain expert, all you have to do is click over domain experts. Then if you are EA tutor editor, all you have to do is click over here. EA tutors expert annotator, all you have to do is click over here. So there is some roles. If you click over them, you will get more information. So now that you have created your digital product, it's time to sell it. Websites like Etsy are perfect for digital downloads, while Shutterstock is great for stock images. Setting up a seller account is straightforward on Etsy. Click Sell on Etsy and follow the prompt to create your shop. On Shutterstock, sign up as a contributor and upload your images. Amazon are also kind Kindle is perfect for ebooks. Just follow their publishing guidelines to get started. Here we have some marketing types. Show clips of social media blogs or posts. Marketing is key to making sales. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work. Engage with relevant communities and consider running targeted ads to reach your audience. Creating a blog or YouTube channel can also help showcase your work and attract customers. Don't forget to optimize your product listings with keywords to improve visibility. And there you have it. With Minddrift, making money online has never been easier. Start creating today and turn your passion into profit. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.